Okay, we are live.
Okay.
Look on. I said we are live.
Okay. I can hear you. Okay.
No, take it. Okay. Oh yeah, why your emulator never starts? Why your emulator never starts?
This talking. It will boost now.
Okay.
Let me run this code now.
Okay, okay. Why you never look? It crash again.
No. Still a load. The hey,
What's
don't
that?
crash. Oh,
Wait, why in the crash every time? You know what thing you go do?
okay.
Close that.
Let me just get it to wait.
Yeah.
Why this code long? I mean, this run it take time like this.
No, no. When was the last time you ran it? Hmm? When was the last time you ran it? Yeah. Okay. Are we good?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. 4 minutes. You know, say I tell you, say I get something where I did do. So I'll be okay. So pretty much explain to me what you start from line one. Minimize your console. Start from line one. Explain to me what you understand by what is written there.
Should I first explain this assignment, or I should first explain the code?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Explain the assignment. Let's start with that.
So the first assignment we are having here is what's different between padding and margin.
Yeah. So what's the difference?
Okay, for me to explain that, let me just explain that we're using a box that has a
Okay.
border.
Okay.
So the space we are giving inside the box between the
Mm.
border to the content we have inside the box, that's
Yep.
what we call padding. And the space we are giving between the border and the edge of our screen is called margin.
Okay.
So the second we are having here is adjust the code look more like a design.
Yeah. So can we see the design?
The design of the code,
Yeah, the design that's. Do you have that lady's design? Where we pick this
yes,
design? Do you have it?
I have the photo.
Okay. All right. So
Sorry, let
let's
me
pick it.
quickly open that
Yep.
here.
That's cool.
Okay, let me just go to the file.
Okay, so that's the lady's design, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, the design close to it. Ah,
I will just put it this way,
what?
like this.
Uh, Sorry, I didn't say. What square?
The design.
Yeah, just place it by the side.
Okay. So the next one is add image to the circle avatar.
Mm-hmm. Add image to a circular avatar. Yep.
Yeah.
So what are you
So
able to do?
when I want to add image to the circular
Mm.
avatar,
Mm-hmm.
we have two type. We can do that in two ways. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We can we can call up image from internet by bringing
Yep.
the source of the or the link from the internet into our circular avatar, or we
That's
use
very
asset image, the one that
that's
we
very
already
correct.
that's the one that we
Yeah.
already uploaded to our
Yep.
circular avatar. So by
Mm-hmm.
the first step to do the first one I mentioned is in our circular avatar. Where is
Mm-hmm.
it? Sorry. So we are going to give it a background image,
Yep.
and then we select network image for our internet image that we want to upload. So
Okay.
and then we call the value the value is going to be the HTTPS of that particular image that you are calling from internet.
Yep.
So and then on the other hand, if you want to add image that you have already downloaded to your device into your
Mm-hmm.
circular avatar, then you're going to give
Yep.
it a background image and then declare your asset image, and then you are going to create a file here.
Yeah.
You are
Okay.
going to create a file that you are going to name anything.
No, no, no. Your location of the where's your
Okay,
asset?
okay,
Asset
hold on.
folder.
Sorry. This is my asset here.
Yes, yes. It should be outside your
So,
Android and yeah.
so in our
Continue, I can
sorry.
hear you.
Okay. So in our project here,
Mm-hmm.
so give me a minute.
Okay.
Okay. So can we see our this here? We'll come to new and then we'll go and select direct to
Mm-hmm.
create new folder for our already downloaded image. Then
Yes.
we can name it and then drag our photo into that file.
Mm-hmm.
So after that,
Mm-hmm.
we can then come to this place, then name the file and the image you have already downloaded and saved in your file here. Meanwhile,
Mm-hmm.
it not display after you have done this. You are still
Yeah.
coming to your you are still coming to your pub
Yep.
spec dot YAML.
YAML. We call it pubspec.yaml.
Okay, pub spec dot YAML
Uh-huh.
to let this guy know that you have already invited some guys to come and participate in this thing you want to do.
Yep.
So this is what I did here. All these things was in comment, and then
Exactly.
I comment this thing.
Yes.
There was
Yes.
guys there was two guys here that I have to, clear. And
Take
then
out.
I
Yeah.
brought in my file name and
Yes.
then the name of the image that I've already downloaded into the file.
Mm. Makes sense.
So I saved that. So if you save that, you are going to see a pop-up notification on your main dat.
Mm. Made of that.
Yes. So
Okay.
we are done with this guy. I'm just explaining. So a pop-up notification will come. I'll forgot the name that the pop-up notification will come on. But it's nothing much. There's nothing changes in that. It's just that it's telling you that you have made changes in your popspec.yaml. So
Okay.
that's what the guy is trying to say. So by doing that, if you now rerun this thing, your image is going to show in your circular avatar.
Now that makes sense.
Okay,
Um. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I get it. Makes sense. I mean,
okay,
I wouldn't. I wouldn't want to add anything or deduct anything, but you are totally on point. So let's go to the next assignment.
okay. We now have assignment talking about padding here.
Yep.
Edgeinsert.all, which is in our line 50. I think it has
Okay.
adjusted to line 12. I've made some changes in the code.
Okay.
So it's explained that, okay, let's say we have a box that
Yeah.
has border, and
Mm.
then we want to have content in this box,
Okay.
and we want to give this content a padding around it. Instead of us giving it like, we want to say that like we want to add 20 padding above, 20 padding below, we can just use this edgeinsert.org
Mm.
to give it
Mm-hmm.
20 padding around the four corners.
Mm. Yeah. That makes sense. Continue.
Okay, so we can use this edgeinsert.org to give it padding around the corners, and
Mm-hmm.
it will make our work faster, by just
Makes sense.
giving it by giving padding at the right hand side, to the left hand side, up and down. You can just use
Mm-hmm.
these guys here to give it padding in all the four corners. And next one we're having
Yeah.
here is in between container and size box.
Mm. Okay. I'm listening. On.
Okay,
Remember, I told you I wanted to do something, so I'm trying to do it while you know. Mm.
okay. Now my understanding in container is that as a
Yeah.
container itself is a parent that have
Mm.
children's of
No, no,
children's
no, no,
of
no, 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 no. Nope.
okay, they
It
have
has what?
child.
Exactly. Yep. It doesn't have children, it has child. Correct. Okay, continue.
So this child means
Hmm.
that if if we want if we want to adjust, I don't know if I'm going to write with this thing I'm about to say. If we want to adjust something in
Okay.
among this chart, that we can just go to that container and then do
Hmm.
everything. Am I right, boss?
Hmm. Yes. So, this is it. What is the difference between a
And see the
container
size
and a
box.
size box? Okay.
I don't really understand this one. I think
Okay.
I've
So
forgotten.
I would. I mean, I think if you were to give it, if I was to give 1 mark for each of the assignments, I think you would have gotten like is over 5. So I think you would have gotten 5 5. The reason is because you have really done your research, and I see that you know what you are talking about. So that's good, really good. Like that is the spirit of a programmer. So, what is the difference between a container and a size box? Well, um, let's not talk too much. Go to line 83, type container there, type container, enter. Now, I want you to press, I learned a, no, 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 don't press enter. You know what? Just close the parentheses back. There's a command I learned over the week. Close that parentheses. Now press Control space. Press Control down and then press space. Control space.
I've done that.
So now, look at all the available content you have with container, right? Container, you can add height, you can add child, you can add width, you can add color, you can add padding, you can add highlights, you can add, basically container. The reason why people use container is because you can add color, you can add padding, and you can add decoration, which is more like, you know, background color. So now, we are clear 83 and put size box. We are clear
CSS.
83 and put size box. Clear 83 and put size box. If you guys want to enjoy this, please rotate your screen. Or if you really want to enjoy, like see the code, just rotate your screen. Have a what's it called, landscape mode. That's when you can see it. Um, Currently, our software doesn't really. The portrait mode is a bit not okay for us. So okay, so look at size box. Size box has only 4 items: height, child, width.
Can you hear us?
I can hear you clearly.
And
I can hear you
yeah,
clearly.
I just want to online. I just want to quickly say that you guys should help us power tap and then share the live so that we can have more viewers, you to bring in people that want to
More
participate
people.
in it.
Yeah.
And if you really want to join us in this thing that we are doing, you can ask
Lukman, I think you are breaking. I think you are
anybody
breaking. Can
to
you hear me clearly?
join. I think the is in this bow here to just follow that to Telegram. Then we can from there we can add you to WhatsApp chat if you want to be live here with us, just the way I'm speaking now, and you can so we can come up to like sharing your screen.
So Lukman, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. Oh,
Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, I am. I am.
yes, I
Okay.
can hear you.
Yeah, I think you were breaking a bit during your conversation. So can you hear me clearly? Am I breaking also? So that I will know if it's my internet or yours.
I can hear you clearly.
Okay, okay. So what Lukman was trying to say is that we started this training about some 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago, and basically, um, Lukman doesn't have an idea of development. Like is zero when it comes to development and this and that. But right now, Lukman is coming close to being a hero. And the simple thing is, the technique I am using is unlike any other technique that you know anybody is using. Basically, what I do is, you want to join this session, you need to click to join the Telegram, right? When you join the Telegram, then the next thing is we'll now filter you down based on do you have a system, because everybody wants to learn this thing, but nobody has a system. So we'll now filter you down to you know having a system. And once you have a system, then it's easy for us to say, oh, okay, you have a system now. Let us, take you to WhatsApp or what have you. And then from there, we will give you a special link which you will use to join this live. It's not TikTok or anything. And then from there, right, you can pretty much from there you can then join this live, and you'll be sharing your screen. You will be the one sharing your screen, like sharing your screen. I am the developer, right? Lukman is the student, but the student is the one sharing the screen, and then I will direct him. So what you are seeing on the screen right now is Android code. Is Flutter, we call it Flutter code, but this is the Android version. What you're seeing is Lukman doesn't have an Android phone, but he's using an Android, we call it emulator. So whatever code he writes, it will run it on this emulator, and it will come out just like it will on a normal phone. So today we want to, Lukman should be able to bundle this application and send it to Play Store if he wants to, or he can share it with his friends so that they can download it and install and say, oh, this is Lukman's first application, right? Pretty much it is what it is. So my technique is, you share your screen, show me what you are writing, and I will direct you. It's called the driver. Lukman, what's that stuff? I always forget. The
Navigator.
Yeah, driver and navigator stuff. So Lukman is the driver, right? And I am the navigator. Is that correct, Lukman?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that is correct. So um, that is the way it is. And yeah, so let's go back into it. Okay, so Lukman, right now you have pressed what? Control space. So can you see the advantage of that control space? It will give you all the
Yes, yes.
parameters that are inside. Yes. Now, Lukman, all these things we are saying, height, child, this one, we call it named parameter, not just parameters. Okay? We call it named parameters. Right?
Okay.
So that when I say named parameters, you will understand. So, and I will also show you how to create named parameters, but not be now, like later. So what you have now, size box has only 4 items. The reason people use size box is, imagine because you want to put space for something, you are now using container. Does it make sense? Container has a whole lot of things. Why not just use size box if you are using height or width? Do you get?
Yeah.
Right? So then
Okay.
again, uh, for them, the child is not required. So you see, look more, show me is okay, okay. No, let me. So now, do you know that size box is a widget, right?
Yes, boss.
Yeah. Show me another widget. Call another widget that you have for me on your screen like this. Don't minimize. Don't do anything. There's another widget like this on your screen.
Okay.
A widget can be the result of a child. That when you have child, you declare child and then you now call something in front of the child. That can be a widget also.
Yeah. This icon here is it.
Exactly, is a widget. Now, another widget. Yeah, that icon is a widget also.
We have another.
Yeah, but there's another widget
Yes.
before that one.
Okay. We have this floating button here.
What's floating action button? Show me the floating action
Yes.
button on your screen.
This is it here.
Show me. Show me. What? Yeah,
This is it here.
exactly. Ah, and where's the icon in it? You know it has an icon. Where's the icon in it?
The icon is it here.
Yeah, and that's add, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now you see the reason why we don't use size box and we use what's it called? Navigation. I mean, we don't use size box when
Container.
we are supposed to use container. We don't use container when we are supposed to use size. Because container is large, right? Container contains a whole lot. So you better not use it. Use size box because it is little. As much as possible, you are trying to minimize code writing. That's what we do mostly, right? So if you have written this code now, then you can minimize it. So, oh yeah, clear line 83 so that your error goes away. Why do you have that error?
It's because we have size box. We have size box here, and we want to declare
Uh-huh.
another one here, and we are not able
And when you want
to close it.
exactly, you did not put the comma exactly. So, oh yeah, take it out. I just wanted to confirm that. That's what I wanted to confirm. So now go to line, start from, go to the top. I want to see how well you have been able to read your code. Now, look, man, I can say on a scale of 1 to 10, like 7, you wrote this code yourself. So, oh yeah, scroll up. Now, I mean, if I was the one that wrote it, it's okay for you not to be able to read it. But then that's not a good programmer. You should be able to read any code. But don't worry, for now, if I was the one that wrote it, it's okay for you not to be able to read it. But I didn't write it, you wrote it. So, guy, oh yeah, go to the first line, like the start of that build. Oh yeah, starting from that. Okay, read it from the app bar, from the body. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. From line, no, now, look on. From line, what's that line? Read it from. Calm down, calm down, calm down. No, no, you've passed what I want. Calm down. I said read it from body. Calm down.
From the body.
Yeah, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Can I start here?
Yeah, 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 you can start. Click on that my own page. Click on
Okay.
line 18. Click on.
Hmm?
Okay, look on, just explain what you see. Oh yeah, explain what you see. I'm waiting on.
on this line, except from this line 18.
Oh yeah, now I'm waiting.
Host,
Look, man.
can you hear me? I'm talking. Hear me?
I can hear you clearly. I can hear you now.
Okay, okay. This is my.
No, look, man, we can't hear you.
This is my home page.
Yeah.
This page here, we now have what we call app bar.
Yes. So can you go to your home
In
page?
the
Let's see what your home page looks like.
app
Go to
bar,
your home page. Mm-hmm.
we can add our what we call title.
Yeah.
This is our home page here.
You are not audible. I can't really hear you well.
So we now have option app bar. So in our
Okay. Yeah.
I'm message here that you are seeing here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So to this body here, we have a container that we gave it a color,
Mm-hmm.
we give it a child of size box, that we have
Yeah.
our height and our weight in it. This our weight here simply means that we want it simply means that we want it to fit in any device that we
Yeah.
want to view this application in.
All right. Okay.
So we now have a child that we put it in row because we want to have our stuff here in row like this. So we have children, then we declare a container, and then we declare our sizes of boxes.
Mm-hmm.
We give it a padding of edge insert.all.
Yeah.
I've that in my assignment. Then we have
Mm-hmm.
a chart of circle avatar. This is our circular avatar here.
Mm-hmm.
Just look at it without the image of the logo in it. That's our circle avatar. Then this is where I image in it. I've already explained this in my assignment.
Okay.
We now have another container where we declare our widgets and our padding column.
Yep.
This simply means that then we have axis alignment, center, crop. So the two different of these things, what makes these guys different is that is this these guys here, this one here, it
Mm-hmm.
it works with it works with row. these guys here work with column.
I can hear you.
Okay. We now have another children here where we declare our role, and we have another children where we declare our content, or let's say our our text in it. The text you are looking at here. We have another container where we declare the weight of that content in it. We have another text where we declare our time here. So we declare another text where we declare where we show our description here. Then we give it a star. Like we want to make these guys here a little bit bold.
Mm-hmm.
Then we now have another size box.
Yeah.
Instead we use box here, like my boss just explained now,
Okay.
that instead of using container, we know that container has a lot of things. We can just a size box.
Yeah.
We have weight, and we have child, and we have icon print. This
Mm.
child, this is where we use to sign, I mean, to bring in these guys here, this arrow here.
Mm.
Then we now have, in conclusion, we now have floating action button. Floating action
Mm.
button, this one, this one, this one has an icon in it.
Mm.
So this is where the icon is inserted here. I don't understand this, boss. These two tips increment.
Tooltip.
I don't know. Maybe that's where
So
we.
click on the floating icon button. Click it and hold it down. Click it and hold it down there.
Okay, I've seen it.
You've seen it.
It shows increment.
Increment. Yeah. Wait,
I'm
one
sorry,
minute.
increment.
Yeah. So it shows increment. That is tooltip. So if you are a user of websites, most websites, when they put an icon, they just put tooltip. So when you over it, you just see. You get what I'm saying? So for mobile
Yeah.
apps, if you see an icon that you don't understand, and the developer has sense, right? Every single widget, it can put tooltip, and then it will put the name there. So it is easy for you as somebody who doesn't know, but you know that when you click on it, you get the meaning. You just hold it down, and then it will show the meaning of the icon. Does that? Do you understand that?
Yes, boss.
Yeah. Okay. So then, what do I want to say? So we are going to start today. I mean, look at, we started when we've not even started today anyway. So we are going to start today with having dealing with multiples of that guy. Okay, we are going to look through this guy. Yes. So you are going to have like four. Okay, and now you are going into programming proper. Do you get? You are going into what?
Yeah, boss.
Programming proper. And what do I mean by you are going into programming proper means? It means that you are going to start creating something that you want to use to look through. But 1 minute, let me get scroll up, scroll up on your code here. Now, where is the beginning of this guy? This row?
This guy,
Yes, yes, yes.
the beginning is here.
Where? I don't want the app bar. I only want that container. That container with gray.
Okay,
So that's the beginning.
is this it? Here?
Yeah. So what you are now going to do is
Yes.
that you see this guy, you see that body, it can only take a child. So you now want to convert it into what? To take children.
Okay.
Do you get? You want to convert this
Yes.
container guy to take children. And the best way you can do that is simple. Click on that container. Just click. Click on the container. Click on that bulb icon, that idea icon. What's it telling you? It says what? Wrap with column. Oh yeah, wrap with
Yes.
column. Don't forget, column is, yeah, wrap with column. Exactly. Do you understand what happened? Oh yeah, go to the gutter of 43. Go to the gutter side of 43. The gutter side now where you have your line 43, 44, 45, where you have that
Okay.
number. Yes, I want you
Okay.
to close container. Close container. Do you understand what just happened? So when you say wrap with column, that guy now converted this body. His column is a widget, so it's just one item. But then column will now only accept children. So he now converted it to what? To
Okay.
children. So look on, can you now put your cursor at the back of line 43 and then press Ctrl D? Line 43. Yeah, just no no yeah, just yeah, anyway, just put it on line 43, then press Ctrl D. Now refresh your code. Hot reload. So what did you see?
Wow.
It is what? It is 2. So now I want you to go to the
It
gutter.
duplicate.
Yes, I want you to go to the gutter side. Go and minimize those two. So minimize those two. The container, you have minimized the first container, or you have minimized the second container. Right. So what happens here, right, is take for example when you go to your TikTok, you have messages, right? TikTok messages. So
Yes.
your application will send a message to backend. Backend is not your thing. You are a front-end developer, so don't bother about backend. Your application will send a
Okay.
message we call service. It will try to contact backend, and backend will return some items. Do you get? Now, before we even do anything, go to the top. Do you have lights now?
There's no light now on that.
Do you have lights now? Okay, just go
They
up.
have not
Just
bring
go
it.
up.
They
Okay,
have not
okay,
bring the
just
light.
go up. Yeah, go to the top of your screen now. Uh, all right. Wait. No, 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 no. Sorry, I said top. Come to within your home page underscore home page states. Within your underscore home page states. Go up a bit. Go up. Yeah. Wait. Look more. Line for line 52. Press enter. In front of line 52. Press enter. I need a new line. Line
Line
52.
52.
Enter. Yeah. Look more. You need to be fast. You know you don't have battery.
I can't see 952 here.
Wait, is it 26? Oh, 26, 26, 26. Sorry. Line 26.
Okay, okay.
Is that line
I should
26?
enter. Yes.
Wait, is that line 26? Oh
Yes,
man, why
boss.
am I seeing these numbers? Wait, wait, wait. Calm down. Just be pressing down arrow. Press down arrow. I'll tell you where to press enter. Okay, line 32. Line 32. So it's not
Okay.
clear in my. It's not clear with me here. Enter. Enter again. Double enter. So now what I want to do is I want to say call this thing. Call it type final. Final. Type final. Scroll up. Scroll up. Look more. Scroll up. Scroll up. Oh, so that people can see it. We are blocking the view.
Okay.
That's okay. Oh yeah, final, and I will explain this thing to you. Final space, tick, just say TikTok messages, camel case equal to TikTok messages equal to camel case now. Small t. Camel starts from small. TikTok messages. Okay, TikTok messages. Yeah, messages. Capital M. It's camel case now. I shouldn't tell you these things. Messages equal to no now space equal to space. Your code has to be neat even though you are this thing. Now put square brackets. That four corner bracket. Put a square bracket.
Okay.
Put it. Square bracket. Enter. So I will show you one way first. Then we will now come and modify this. So TikTok messages. Just put inverted. Just put quotation quotes. Put quotes. You know what is quotes now?
Yes, boss.
But single quotes, not double quotes. No, no, no. Look, man, what I think. Single quotes,
Okay.
not double quotes. So most times in programming, it's single quotes you'll be using, not double quotes. Oh yeah, now. Yeah. So type. It's supposed to open and close. Oh. So put your cursor at the middle again. Oh yeah. Type message. This is message one. This is message one. Capital letter. So yeah. Press Control. Don't put this is message one. One. No, just put one. Like one. Uh-huh. Now, look more. Wait. Oh, yeah, put these other codes now. Close the quote. Did you open without closing? This your quote, no be quote. Oh. Look more, what are you doing? No. Did you have to delete?
Sorry,
Just
boss.
highlight and put quote. Well, this is wrong. That your quote, no quote. Oh. That thing is not quote. Look more, no. You don't have a problem with the sentence. That quote is not quote. That thing is not quote. Control Z, just
How
Control
can
Z.
I? Okay.
Control Z. Control Z. Now, remove the quote you. Oh, look more. No. Control R. Control R. Let's see if Control redo it. Control R. It's not doing it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just close that thing that came up. That search. Close it. Oh yeah. Clear that line 35. Double quotes. Use. Don't you know what double quote is? When they say
I
somebody
know.
said something. Oh yeah. Now
I know.
put
I
it.
know.
Put double quotes. Let's see. Because that your single quote, no single quote. Oh. That's the reason that thing is throwing error. No, no, look more. Let me see. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. In the middle of it. Why did you delete it? Uh-huh. Just use your arrow to go if that thing is stopping you. Oh yeah, this is message one. This is message one. Now, oh yeah, control D where you are. My control D. Exactly. I was waiting for you to make that mistake. Oh yeah, control D again, control D again, control D again. Do it 5 times. Like so we are having this is message one to message five. That's it. Oh yeah, update. Five. Now why is line 40 complaining?
I don't know why.
Is Namigo no one. Baba check Joe. Exactly. We are press enter so that there's space between those lines. Now, okay. So now you see this guy that you have at the top. TikTok messages equal to square brackets. Is what we have done is we have said okay, the application has now gotten 5 messages. Do you get? So what you now want to display is that you see this is my description. You will display this is message one, this is message two, this is message three. You will display it dynamically. Do you get? Without too much code. You know before for line 52, you have to copy the whole thing and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Do you get? Well, this time you are not
Yes.
copying and pasting anything, bro. Do you get? You are just doing your what? You are just going to so delete line 140. Don't expand it to just delete line 140 like that. I just need one of those guys. Line 140 like that. Just delete everything. So, coming on.
Line 140.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Okay. Have you cleared it?
There's nothing here.
Wait. I'm coming.
Do you mean line
Did
one zero?
I said no, line 104. Yeah, that's what I mean. Line 104.
Okay.
Collapse it and delete it. Coming on. 1 minute. Let's see.
It's showing error.
What? No, now.
Which
Look more. Why did you delete only container? I said collapse it and delete everything.
okay. Oh,
People, people. Somebody call the popo. Or someone. Coming
should I delete it? Sorry.
Wait. Oh yeah, minimize this thing now.
Hold on.
Wait. 52, 52. Minimize 52. Minimize 52.
Where should
Eh?
I delete it to this place? Should I delete it to this place?
To what? No, look more. Go to
From
104.
this container to
Go
this
to
place?
gutter side. Go to gutter side
Okay,
104. Go to the gutter side. Have you forgot? Yeah, collapse it.
I'm there.
Collapse it. Highlight the whole of that. No, now. I said collapse something. Why are you expanding it again? Collapse. Look more. Collapse. Control Z. You already did it now. Collapse that thing. Line 103.
So this one too.
Look more. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Go to the gutter side of 103. I did not say come to the code. I said go to the gutter side. Collapse that thing.
Okay.
Then come outside to the code. Highlight line. Highlight line 103. The whole of it. And delete. It's that simple. It is that what?
Simple.
1 minute. Come on. Why is this guy? Okay, for what? Wait. Continue. Look on. Let's wait. 1 minute.
Okay. Man.
1 minute. You come in. Just chill, chill, chill. Okay, refresh your code now. Let's see.
Can you see that voice?
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yes. So it has come back to this now, right?
Yes, yes.
So let's come in. Let's, come in. 1 minute. Sorry, I'm trying to do something. Uh, come Yes. All right. So let's do. I'm coming. Almost done. Let's see. Okay. So now I want you to do the one that you will understand. Eh? Is I want you to control X. Okay, highlight all the 51, highlight everything and control X. Highlight everything and control X. Cut. Control X. Hey, don't expand them or don't expand them. Control X. Highlight everything. Why do you put that red stuff? Look more, you must learn to hold your mouse very well now. Highlight and cut. You are opening, you are clicking. No, did you when you cut now, you don't go copy see. So okay. Now, what did you put at the top? What's the name of that array at the top? That thing you created for messages, what's it called? TikTok messages, right?
Yes, boss.
So now just say TikTok messages. Type TikTok on line 50, 51. Just type TikTok messages dot. Oh yeah now. Mm. I think Lukman's system is off totally. So Nigeria does not support his career. He wishes, but it's not supported. I'm going to be out in like a few minutes once he's not here. Thank you for joining today. That's it. Live stream ends soon. Thank you.
Flutter for the voltage. Tilapia, côté. Bring a goofy with the cocaine. Gobe, you see the bed, do not replay. Find a bacha for my bro say. Conquer the streets with the play.
I need your bill in a party, all got to come. If I handle this your body, all got so. If you put me for palava,
DJ Larry, Kunkunchwa.
I suppose she locate, but I go buy Belgium. My money na alele, my pressure. Nobody say she my palava, because for high tension. When you must apply
Wait. Make some noise, star boy. Sure. The vibe is unlimited tonight. Make some noise, one. When it comes to star boy, you know say that normal thing. Steve's 100, composure 100. You know they dull anytime. Say, you know they dull anytime. Say, you know they dull anytime. Money, evidence of a body. Say, evidence of a body. Say, you must get fine face. You must get bone streets. You must get fine face. Say, you must get bone streets. I can see your life with the shape. Hey, you must get fine shape. Money. She be body, I be body rock. She be body, I be body rock. She be body, I be body rock. Say, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me nice and slow. Give it to me nice and slow.